Let me introduce the second chakra to you. The second chakra is located in your pelvis, and it deals with one-to-one, face-to-face relationships and the power of relationships and everything that they represent. This chakra is orange color. It spins, it rotates in clockwise directions usually, and it rotates faster than the chakra below. So the chakra below is the first chakra, which deals with the tribal power, relationships in the tribe. But the second chakra, it's all about one-to-one, face-to-face relationships. And it's all about love, sex, money, control, and physical power. Who is not interested in these objects? But we all are interested in these objects at some level because our survival is in these objects: love, sex, and money. We need relationships to survive, do deals, work, create. So it's a very expensive chakra to run. And people use enormous amount of energy, use and lose, sometimes needlessly, from this chakra until they become aware of how they distribute energy from this chakra. And like I said, it's a very expensive chakra to run. The second chakra is the chakra of your weapon. Why weapon? It's the chakra of your defensiveness. Every time you become defensive or you go into confrontation with somebody, you're using your weapon that comes from the second chakra. So all conflicts between two people, it's the energetic losses from the second chakra. This is also the chakra of control, being controlling in relationships or being controlling with yourself, with your work, with your stuff. So you have to watch for it because people lose enormous amount of energy for control. Have you ever been in controlling relationships? So in these relationships, one person uses too much energy from his or her second chakra to control the second chakra of another person. So one person feels continuously like controlled by the other person. In this situation, both partners will eventually lose energy from the second chakra and create illnesses. Because to control somebody, being controlling, it takes enormous amount of energy to control somebody. So it will eventuate in a illness, like prostate problems or ovarian problems, problems with uterus, bladder, menstrual cycles, infertility. And the person who allowed herself or himself to be in controlling relationships also will lose energy. It takes a lot of energy to stay in controlling relationships. So you have to watch for it and try to avoid controlling relationships at all costs, and be aware of your own control, how you become controlling with everything in your life, including yourself and your work. This chakra rules the power of attraction, how you actually go out and start attracting people and situations and circumstances to you. And you may notice, sometimes people ask me, why do I always attract all these, the same kind of partners, maybe losers or abusers? People say this way. So why do I always do that? Like, all these people come to me. The reason why it happens, because of the energy you keep in your second chakra, the power of actual attractions. How you attract comes from this chakra. The second chakra also rules creativity, how you physically go out and create things, what your mind has conceived. Ideas and thinking, these are top chakras issues, but actual implementing your ideas, physically doing it, second chakra issues. So you need to become aware of how you create, on physical level, because if you overcreate in one area of your life, you may undercreate in another area of life. For example, many women who are busy in their career, or they're high productive business women, they have difficulty conceiving a child, so they have some form of infertility. Why this happen? Is because they use their creative energy so much to create their career or business, so when it comes to create a baby, they don't have enough energy, not enough energy left in the second chakra to create a child. To heal, they need to become aware of their energy distribution and correct this, how they create in their life. Also, the second chakra is responsible for personal ethics. How ethical you are, it's all the second chakra issues. To give you an example of a pure second chakra energy person, it's a movie, Forrest Gump. Watch this movie, Forrest Gump. He won hearts of the millions of people, basically due to his innocence and his pure second chakra energy, his ethics towards other people. He wasn't very spiritual, Forrest Gump. He didn't have education, spirituality. He wasn't spiritual at all, which are top chakras issues. But he got everything he needed in his life because of pure second chakra energy. So watch this movie to see a good example of the second chakra energy person. So the issues connected to the second chakra is all related to sexual organs, reproductive system, bladder, lower back. So basically your finances live in the back, and lower back problems are so common. And every time a person comes to me with lower back, they ask, why do I have lower back problems? I need to look at their finances. But it's not actual finances, but how they feel about survival in this world. It can be connected to relationships, but still regarding survival. How I'm going to live with money, house, survival stuff. So this is all about the energies connected to lower back pain, which are really common. Bladder problems are also very common nowadays. And when people have urinary tract infections or bladder infections, the emotional pattern behind these bladder infections, being pissed off with the partner. So these people, they have urinary tract infection repeatedly. They take antibiotics, and they may not be promiscuous people. They stay in one relationship, but they keep repeating urinary tract infections. They need to look at their pattern, how and why they being frustrated, pissed off with their partner. And it's all possible to heal. You need to tune into your second chakra. Feel this orange energy in the second chakra and then clean it with anti-clockwise movements. I have created another video how to clean chakras. And then after cleansing, you need to put positive constructive energy into the second chakra to heal.